Okay, this is a detail video showing you how to get a person whose legs stick out straight out of a multi-lift using a specialized configuration of the B-pillar mount with the quick mount to get out of a minivan. For more general information on this application, you'll want to check out the notes field down below. You notice the legs stick out pretty straight at all times. Thanks so much for watching our video, and remember, this is one in a series, so you'll want to check out the other videos down in the notes field below that'll show you how to get a person with straight legs into a vehicle in the mid position in a minivan. Our Facebook page is facebook.com/accessun. Our YouTube channel with over 2,200 videos is youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 607-669-4822. Thanks for watching our video.